If you're looking for a delicious and simple breakfast casserole for your family, we have got one for you today.
Yes, it's easy sausage breakfast casserole.
So come on in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And we want to thank you all for being here with us on Cooking with Shotgun Red because we are very much appreciate it.
And we're very much a family. We appreciate all of you subscribing and our new viewers out there today.
Exactly, and all the comments that people have been sending to us, and they want to tell their stories, which we love your stories.
Absolutely. So please keep following us and commenting, and don't forget to like, hit that thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and subscribe. We appreciate you. So, well, we've got a delicious breakfast recipe today. And where'd you find this recipe?
A very dear friend of mine gave this to me, and they made it, and I wanted to have it on the show today because it's very good. And it was made in a loaf pan, and which was smaller and deeper, so it'd take longer to cook. But we wanted to put this one in a casserole dish.
We wanted to expedite this.
Yes.
We wanted to speed things up.
We wanted to let it rise.
And we added some more ingredient. We kind of doubled that recipe a little bit too to make it a little bit bigger, and so you could feed a larger family or whatever makes it easy for you at home.
Or if it's just you and by yourself and you want to cook something up and have it for all week long and just cut it up and every day have
that is
one.
the beautiful thing about a breakfast recipe in a casserole like that, because you could
love it.
you could just eat off that all week long, and you don't have to make breakfast every single morning. So we got all our ingredients out here, and we are going to show you.
And we're going to take it back to the stove.
Okay, we're going to show you how this is done.
Starting out with this pound of sausage.
And this is Tennessee Pride sausage, which we love. Yes. Of course, we're here in Tennessee.
Yes.
But you can use whatever kind of sausage you like.
And get all of it out. And just start chopping it up. You want to cook this really done, not all the way, but because it's going to cook the rest of the way in the oven.
Brown it though.
Yes. Now that the sausage is getting brown, we are going to add 1 cup of onions.
We got some diced onions.
Right. And some green pepper and red pepper. You can just have plain, like all green, all red, or whatever, but we want some color in it.
You know how we like color.
We love color.
Diced green peppers. Oh, you left some in there, man. Don't let it.
Oh, man.
You can't do it.
I'm pulling some of your stuff. I'm pulling some of your stuff.
I know. I'm going to do what you do to me.
Yeah. Yes, of course. Let's see, look how colorful that is.
So that was 1 cup of peppers, right?
1 cup of peppers.
Okay.
Yep, and then 1 cup of mushrooms.
1 cup of mushrooms.
Yeah, there's all the mushrooms. And there might be a slot on the side here.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, okay.
We'll throw them in there in the end.
Oh, yeah. Can't waste anything.
So we're just going to cook this until it's tender, right?
Right, till it's
and then we're going to remove it from the heat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you should smell it. It smells delicious.
It does, don't it?
Can't wait to try it. So we also have
some salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
And we're just a teaspoon of each. And we're going to mix that up.
And put it in here with it.
Sprinkle that all in.
Get some seasoning.
And I'll go ahead and turn off that heat because this electric stove will probably keep cooking.
So,
and we're going to set that aside, right?
Right.
And then we're going to go over and prepare our casserole dish and our dough.
The first thing we're going to do is put some flour on the counters, which we just did that. And we are going to take out the crescent dough sheet. Now, if you've got some regular crescent rolls, those perforated, you can use those too if you want to, but this is just one complete sheet.
Absolutely.
So you don't have to mess with one individually one.
That's right.
Okay.
But you can still use it.
Yeah. And nothing that we do is written in stone.
That's right.
So you can always change whatever you want. If you don't like this, you can use that.
Exactly.
It does not matter to us.
Hey, if you want to expand on our recipe, we're okay with that. We're just sharing recipes, so.
You might find something better with this than we got.
Yeah, and if you do, please let us know what you did. We'd like to hear about it. So.
And this is one of them things, whopping kind.
Oh, it's like a whop biscuit, huh? You just whomp it. There you go.
I love it. Magic. You just take this out and unroll it. Lay it across here and roll it out.
Now we've got our dish already pre-greased a little bit with some non-stick cooking spray.
Yes, and then we're going to add flour to the top half of it.
A little bit of flour.
And get it really soft. She got one of these dough rollers.
Some heavy ones. That's a marble one.
You
It's
could
heavy,
use
I
it.
know.
You could use this out on the road somewhere. You could pave some pavement with this. Okay, and then you just roll this and flatten it out. To make it longer and wider.
Nice and thin, and that comes out nice and flaky and crispy.
Yes.
We're just going to take that.
And take it right here.
Gently lift it up so it doesn't break.
Yeah.
Here, I'll grab this side for you.
Yeah, get that side.
Got it?
Right, and then we're going to bring it in here and straighten it out and bring it up on the sides.
Now, if you've got some excess, we can put that along the side edges, right?
Right. And you can just cut this off or peel it off. And now you take the leftover dough that came over on the sides and you can take that and put it around the edges. So you have the crescent rolls all the way around.
We just cleaned up that flour.
Yeah, we had flour everywhere.
we had to take a break and stop.
We even had to go take a shower. Didn't we?
Oh, we had to go take a shower, but we did have to like clean up. And we had flour all down in front of us. So you think we'd be wearing some aprons today, but we're not for some reason. We forgot. All right, so then next we're going to put this yummy stuff, this yummy mixture.
Yes.
Yum.
Really good.
Yum. And we're going to just spread that all over the bottom. It smells so good.
Now.
It really does. So evenly spread it all along the bottom.
So good. It's such a real good recipe. And easy. And most of this right here you've already got at home to cook with. Sausage. Most
Sure.
people's got sausage and peppers and
Onion.
cheese. And
Yeah. All right.
okay, Jennifer's beating up 12 eggs in here to
And
pour on top.
About a quarter cup of milk.
Yeah, whole milk.
And we're just going to pour that right over the top. And make sure it gets all over.
And then you top it off with cheese.
And we've got
Some
cheddar,
cheese.
sharp cheddar. We love sharp cheddar when we're baking.
We use this a lot in a lot of recipes.
You could use about a cup to anywhere from a cup to 2 cups depending on how much cheese you like. So this is about a cup and a half, I think, in here. Now we've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to put this in there for 30 minutes, right, Sheila?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And you can, after 30 minutes, you can check it and see if it's
make sure your eggs are
done
cooked
enough.
to your perfection. Because some people like a little bit softer eggs. Some people like it well done. So it's really up to you, right?
right.
All right. Well, let's put it in the oven and see what we
Okay.
got.
Okay, we ended up baking this for 35 minutes at 350 degrees.
And it smells so good.
Yes.
It looks delicious. I can't wait to dig in.
You excited?
I am.
It's a good one. I can't wait to dig in. Are you ready for this, Jennifer?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for this, Donna?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That'll go all the way through that crust on the bottom.
It does. And then,
Yum.
are you ready?
I am. Look at that. Oh, yum, yum.
See all
Look at
the-
all that.
All the ingredients in there?
Mm-hmm. That looks so good.
Do another one here.
Get you one. All right, doesn't that look delicious?
It is.
Yummy.
See all these colors and everything? It's
Look at
good.
that crust. That flaky crust. I'm ready.
Here we go. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, give me your opinion.
Mmm. That has so much flavor.
I love this recipe.
This is delicious. Wow. And the flaky crust around there. Oh, you're going to love this. This will be a definite favorite, I guarantee you, when they try this.
This even caused for us to make some coffee.
Oh, yeah. We even got our coffee. Mmm. Got some breakfast coffee for our breakfast casserole.
Yes.
Yum, yum, yum. You know, you could even put a little garnish. You could put sour cream or some salsa on there.
You can.
But honestly, the flavors in this is just delicious the way it is.
And you don't have to have breakfast at breakfast. You can have it any time of the day.
Brunch, dunch, dinner. Anytime you want to.
Right?
This is so good.
It is. As Steve would say, is this the best?
Easy sausage breakfast casserole. If it ain't, it ought to be. So thanks again for liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us. All of our social media links are right below this video. So please come check us out over there. Keep up to date. And don't forget to join our free membership.
Free. You can't get any cheaper than that.
That's right. You can't get any cheaper than free. And you'll be the first to hear about all the exciting stuff that we got coming up this year. And we will notify you when we release new recipes and so much more. We got giveaways. And visit shotgunred.com because we've got
dolls and we got cookbook.
Oh, we got our cookbook and DVDs and so much more. So check it out at shotgunred.com. And we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Now,
all right.
Can I eat again?
Yeah, you can eat again. I'm gonna have some of this coffee here too.
I love the coffee.
This is so good.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.